Chris Arnold. I'm an Avon Independent Sales Representative and Bronze Leader, and just wanted to talk to you a little bit today about the what's new that Avon offers for us. This is an opportunity for us to order what we call preview products that we can order 2 campaigns ahead of when they're going to launch in the brochure. So we can have these items to try out for ourselves, so we can share a testimonial with our customers, or we can use them as demonstration products where we let the customer see, smell, get a good look at the product. I personally, I use my preview products to do a video for my customers each campaign that I do also, share. My team can watch as well. Just kind of showing my personal picks for the campaign, talking a little bit about the products and letting them see them on video. So it's a great opportunity to get familiar with the new products before they launch in the brochure. And so if you're wondering the difference between a preview product and a demonstration product, because I know I've been with Avon for about 24 years now, and we used to always call the products in the What's New demo products. The difference is actually a preview product is just something that you get ahead of the launch in the brochure so you can preview it. And a demonstration product is any product that you have that you use as like a sample or a tester or a product to show the customer the product. It doesn't necessarily have to be something that you've gotten ahead of time of when it debuts in the brochure. It could be a product that you get at any time that you use to demonstrate the product. So preview products often are also demonstration products. So as you can see on the screen here, I'm on the Avon Now dashboard where we representatives go to place our orders and manage our business. And there's a few different ways that you can access the what's new and view these preview products. Obviously, the first one that kind of stands out is you have here on the dashboard this nice bright pink what's new button. So you just click that, and this will take you to in the online version of the paper brochure, this is the what's new for that. So you can see up here, there's a little drop down. You can switch between the campaign 22 brochure, the campaign 24 what's new, and then other little sale flyers that are available. You can also see the campaign 23 what's new because you can order from that what's new in campaign 22 as well. So each item in the what's new, each representative is limited to 2 of that item. All of the preview items, they're at the same discount percentage as they are when we order them from the regular brochure. So really, again, the big advantage to ordering from the What's New is that you can get these items and get them in advance so that you can show them and try them out and build up the excitement for those products in the campaign that they debut in. So inside the What's New flyer, you can see here, it's got kind of details about how the what's new works and that, and it shows the different information based on your current sales level, if you're a contender, a premier level representative, or if you're part of the President's Recognition Program. We'll always see a listing of popular magazines that our products have been featured in, either in a magazine article or in an advertisement. And then just we get into the new products. So for each product, you'll see, a picture of the product and maybe, some other visual information about the product. You'll get a description. There will be prices listed, again, based on this is what your cost for the item will be. So it shows like what the customer price will be in the brochure, but also lists what your cost will be as a representative, whether you're a contender, a premier representative, or in the President's Recognition Program. So, and then just if you get something like the lipsticks where there's 4 different colors, you can actually get 2 of each color. And we kind of like to think of the reason why the limit is 2 is it's 1 to try, 1 to buy. So it's like 1 to have on hand to sell and 1 to try for yourself, or 1 for yourself to try and 1 to share with a good customer or a friend to have them try it as well and give you testimonials. So you can flip through the brochure. In this version of the brochure, when you click on a description, you'll get a little pop-up about the product, and you'll get, this is the quick shop view. that shows the item number and the description, shows the regular price and the sale price that it's going to be in the brochure. When you're ordering from the virtual version of the brochure, you don't get the opportunity to, the drop down box to look at other campaign prices is disabled. So that's why that's grayed out. Shows that it's in stock, and will always show here if it's a what's new product. So if you're searching for products and you come across a product and it says what's new, just know that that's a preview product and you can only order 2 of that. You can choose your quantity. You can choose which order you want to add it to. If you want to add it to your generic representative order. I have a customer set up for myself that I would order it from if I'm wanting to order it as a personal item, or I also have a customer set up that I can separate out things that I have bought as to be a sample or a tester or a demonstration product as well. You can also click on view product details, and this will take you to the product page for that item with more detailed information if it's available. So it's a fuller description, gives you more information about the individual products in that particular bundle. And there'll be more pictures and different views if those are available of the product. So you can just click to go back to the brochure there. So that's the virtual catalog version. Another way that you can access the what's new is through our digital catalog. So on Avon now, you not only have the regular campaign brochure, but we also have the what's new, and you have both for the upcoming campaign and 2 campaigns ahead, which really, like in campaign 22, you would be ordering your campaign 24 brochures, so you would want to order your campaign 24 preview products at the same time. So you can already see this is a little bit more interactive than that other, the virtual version of the printed what's new. We don't actually have a printed what's new anymore, but that's basically what that is if it were a printed catalog. So you can get your what's new 101, that's what would be inside the cover, and then you can scroll down. You can use this little bar on the left. If you're on a phone or a mobile device, you just swipe. It's really easy to get around. So you get the same sort of thing. You get pictures of the products. You can view the product info. Again, that'll bring up a list of the products that are featured on that slide, or in that what we call a story. And then you can click on that and go to the quick shop again. So you just progress through. It's just getting to the same place in a little bit different way. But what's great about doing the digital catalog for the what's new is you not only get just this picture and a brief description of the item, you get a video, or you get different aspects of things for the products. So this is kind of our Parisian holiday makeup collection. Again, there's different videos and things that give you a different view, kind of give you an idea of how they, how the items work. So the digital catalog is really a great way to really get a little bit more of an experience with the new products that you're looking at, and a little bit more close up in the pictures as well. So these are all part of that kind of Parisian holiday there. So you can go through those. You can go down information about just the different categories of products in the what's new. So here's your holiday pajamas with the little videos that go with those. When these products go live in the regular brochure, you'll be able to share links to those videos that you can have people come back and look at. And anytime you see like these little white dots in the pictures, that's where you can hover over it and get the information on a particular product. So that's the digital catalog version. There is one other place that you can view that same like virtual catalog version, and that is if you go to browse products and view brochure. And this is my second favorite way after the digital catalog to view the what's new. You can go to what's new PDFs, and you can click on the link for that campaign, and you can pull up a PDF version of that that same What's New that we were looking at, the first one, where it's just a flat static catalog. You can pull up a PDF version of that. I actually like that because I can save a copy on my computer for records if I want to go back and reference something in that What's New. But it also is, you can zoom in on things a little bit better and get a better view of things. But while we're here on this page, I will hop ahead to the last page because I did forget to show you something there. So at the back of each What's New is, we'll show what samples we currently have in our sample selection, and also other sales tools like our jewelry display pieces that you can get. So if you're going to do a little display of jewelry, you can use the neck form, the bracelet pillow, or the earring stand to display that jewelry very nicely. So the last place you can go to shop our What's New products is you can go to Browse Products and just click on What's New. This will show just a nice list of whatever is new coming up in the next campaign or the campaign after that. And it's just, you can scroll through and see what's there. The only disadvantage I find in shopping this way for my What's New, for my preview products, is that it mixes two campaigns together. And if I don't remember seeing the item in the previous campaign, it sometimes makes it harder to find exactly what's new. But you can sort by, refine the view by product category. So I could pull up just fashion or just skincare. So you can refine the search a little bit. You can even refine it by price range. So if you're looking at preview products and maybe you have a budget, maybe you've told yourself, I can only spend, $20 in this campaign on preview products, you can actually go in and you can check the boxes in your price range and only show products. So this is only the skincare products that are between 0 and $19.99 each. That is the price range for the customer price. Just remember that you're going to get your earnings or your representative discount off of that amount. So that's really, how you can shop the various What's New options as far as shopping those. As far as what to do with the preview products when you get them, like I mentioned, I do a video each campaign. Sometimes I will do videos on a specific single product, so I'll do kind of a deep dive into that product. You can wear the items. You can have those with you when you see customers, or carry them with you in your bag, and as you're talking to friends or something, if it's something they might be interested in, you can have it to show to them. I even do, I have a Facebook group for my customers. It's my little VIP group. And I will go in when I get my preview products. Just as an example, I got my preview products for the campaign 24 that we're looking at here. I got the brush set and the eyeshadow and the little illuminator. And I took those and I did a Facebook Live video in my private group. So just to my VIP customers, not to the whole world. And let them sit in with me while I had my first impression of these products. So I let them, I had the Facebook Live and was just chatting and talking with them and letting them know what my first impressions were as I tried the brushes and the eyeshadows and that. So there's lots of ways you can use it to really promote your products and build excitement about those new products as the campaign is being introduced. So as always, if you have any questions, feel free to throw them up in the comments or reach out to me in whatever way works best for you. And I am always happy to help in any way that I can. Hope you're all having a fabulous day, and I will see you again soon.